Imagine stepping into a home where the charm of the French countryside meets the sleek elegance of modern design, all wrapped in the fresh vibrancy of spring. French country style is timeless, warm, and full of character. But what if we could take that rustic charm and give it a fresh, modern update? In today's video, we're showing you how to springify your French country decor while adding a contemporary twist. Whether you love soft pastels, airy textures, or vintage meets modern furniture, we've got inspiration for you. Stay with us till the end, because we'll be revealing simple yet powerful design tricks that will transform your space without losing that classic, cozy charm. When you think of French country decor, you probably imagine warm, inviting spaces filled with rustic charm, distressed wood, vintage furniture, and soft, elegant patterns. But one of the biggest elements that defines this style is light. French country homes embrace natural sunlight, airy fabrics, and a bright, welcoming atmosphere. So, how can we make this style feel even fresher for spring? Start by maximizing natural light. Swap out heavy curtains for sheer linen drapes or even flowy, gauzy fabrics that let sunlight pour into your space. Mirrors are also a fantastic way to enhance brightness. Position them across from windows to reflect light and make the room feel even larger. For a modern touch, consider white or soft, neutral walls. Traditional French country homes often feature warm beige or creamy tones, but updating to a crisp off-white or a pale grayish can create a cleaner, more contemporary backdrop while still maintaining that cozy charm. By focusing on light and airiness, you're already setting the stage for a home that feels fresh, inviting, and ready for spring. French country decor is known for its rustic elegance, but to give it a fresh, modern twist, we need to introduce elements that create a perfect balance between old-world charm and contemporary sophistication. So, how do we achieve this? One of the easiest ways is by simplifying furniture silhouettes. Traditional French country furniture often has intricate carvings and curved legs, but modern design favors cleaner lines and sleeker shapes. Instead of a heavily distressed wooden table, opt for one with a more refined, natural wood finish. Pair it with upholstered dining chairs in a soft, neutral tone to bridge the gap between classic and modern. Another way to modernize the look is by introducing contrast. French country spaces lean towards warm, soft tones, but adding black or dark metal accents can create a striking balance. Think iron light fixtures, matte black cabinet hardware, or sleek modern candlesticks. These small details bring in a touch of modern elegance without overpowering the French country aesthetic. Finally, embrace minimalism where possible. Traditional French country decor tends to have lots of decorative details, floral patterns, ornate chandeliers, and layers of fabric. A modern twist means editing down to the essentials, choosing fewer but higher quality pieces that still capture the warmth and texture of the style. This approach ensures your space maintains the cozy, welcoming charm of French country decor, while feeling effortlessly modern and refreshed for spring. One of the easiest ways to bring spring energy into a French country home is through color. The right palette can instantly transform your space, making it feel lighter, fresher, and more inviting. Traditional French country decor often leans towards warm neutrals like beige, cream, and soft grays, but for a spring-inspired refresh, incorporating soft pastels, warm earth tones, and crisp whites can make all the difference. Muted sage green, dusty blue, and blush pink introduce a delicate spring touch while maintaining the timeless elegance of French country decor. To add warmth and coziness, subtle terracotta, ochre, and buttery yellows create a welcoming feel that pairs beautifully with natural wood elements. Meanwhile, a slightly cooler off-white or grayish, gray plus beige, helps keep the space feeling light and modern while complementing rustic textures. To introduce these colors into your home without committing to a full makeover, small changes can have a big impact. Accent pillows and throws in soft pastels provide an easy seasonal update, while floral patterned curtains or upholstery bring a classic French country vibe with a fresh twist. Even something as simple as painting a vintage dresser in muted sage green or a kitchen island in soft blue can add just the right pop of color. By thoughtfully incorporating a spring-inspired palette, you can breathe new life into your home while preserving the warmth and charm of French country design. This approach ensures that your space feels fresh, bright, and effortlessly modern, making it the perfect blend of traditional elegance and seasonal renewal. Beyond color, texture, and materials, play a crucial role in achieving that perfect blend of French country charm and modern sophistication. Spring is the ideal time to refresh your home with light, airy textures while maintaining the warmth and character that defines French country design. To create a truly welcoming atmosphere, focus on layering different textures. Natural materials like linen, cotton, and light wool bring softness and coziness, while elements like weathered wood, stone, and woven rattan add depth and rustic charm. A linen slipcover on a sofa, woven jute rugs, or a vintage wooden bench instantly elevate the space with an organic, lived-in feel. Another key to modernizing French country decor is balance. While traditional French country homes embrace intricate patterns and ornate details, a more contemporary take involves paring down excess decor and opting for a cleaner, more intentional approach. Instead of heavy, dark furniture, go for lighter wood tones and simple, elegant pieces that feel refined yet relaxed. To further enhance the spring ambiance, incorporate natural elements like fresh flowers and greenery. A simple glass vase with eucalyptus stems, a bowl of lemons on the countertop, or potted lavender on a windowsill can instantly breathe life into a room. Soft, billowy curtains swaying in the breeze and a collection of white candles in antique brass holders add a final touch of understated elegance. By embracing a mix of textures, thoughtful simplicity, and natural elements, you can create a space that feels inviting, serene, and effortlessly stylish. A perfect fusion of French country romance and modern ease, ready to welcome spring. The final step in springifying your French country decor with a modern twist is adding those thoughtful finishing touches that bring everything together. It's these small details that truly make a space feel personal, curated, and complete. One of the most effective ways to enhance your decor is through carefully selected decorative accents. Instead of overwhelming the space with too many knickknacks, choose a few statement pieces that reflect your personal style, while maintaining the balance between vintage charm and modern simplicity. For instance, a large antique mirror with a distressed frame can add depth and elegance, while modern ceramic vases in neutral tones introduce a contemporary edge. Wall art is another subtle yet impactful way to reinforce your design aesthetic. Opt for botanical prints, soft watercolor paintings, or delicate line art that complement the airy, springtime feel. A gallery wall that combines vintage-inspired frames with modern abstract pieces creates the perfect harmony between old and new. Lighting also plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Traditional French country homes often feature ornate chandeliers and warm candlelight. To modernize this look, try a sleek pendant light over the dining table or wall sconces with clean, minimalist lines. Layered lighting, such as a mix of table lamps, floor lamps, and natural candlelight, creates a warm, inviting glow that enhances the charm of the space. Finally, Don't forget to add natural elements to keep your home feeling fresh and lively. A woven basket filled with cozy throws, a wooden bowl of fresh fruit, or a delicate ceramic dish for trinkets all add warmth and personality. And of course, no French country space is complete without fresh flowers. A bouquet of peonies, hydrangeas, or wildflowers in a vintage-style pitcher brings an unmistakable touch of spring by thoughtfully incorporating personalized decor, soft lighting, and natural elements. Your home will feel effortlessly styled, blending the best of French country romance and modern minimalism, just in time for spring. And there you have it, a perfect blend of French country charm with a modern spring twist, light, airy, and effortlessly stylish. Whether you're incorporating soft pastels, layering textures, or adding subtle modern accents, these small changes can make a big impact on your space. But now, I want to hear from you. Which element of this makeover is your favorite? Do you love the rustic textures, the fresh spring color palette, or the mix of old and new? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more interior design inspiration. We've got so many exciting decor ideas coming up, and you won't want to miss them. Also, turn on post notifications so you're the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.